Okay, this is going to be our first lecture on exponential functions. This is chapter 5. So we're looking at exponential functions. Okay, let's just first get a little bit of an intuition for exponential functions. Let's just say right now, today, I have $1. I have $1. And tomorrow and every other day, I will double the money, the amount of money I have. That'd be nice if I could just double the amount of money I have every day. Okay. Let's make a little table of what that might look like. So let's just say, okay, so let's just call one days and the other one money. So at day 0, which would be, I guess you could say today, I would have $1. So after one day, so tomorrow, I would double my money, $2. Next day, I'd have $4, $8. Day 4, I'd have $16, and so on. That'd be sort of nice. I could just double my money every day. Let's go ahead and look at that like on a graph now too. So if I had, this would be like days, and this would be my money. So after 0 days, I would have $1. After 1 day, I'd have $2. 2 would be 4. 3, it would be 8. 4 would already be way off this chart here. So we can see an exponential function increases very, very quickly. It increases bigger than even a squaring function. So this is just to get an example of what an exponential function looks like. Right here, what we can see is after every day, we're doubling our money. So what we're saying is we're just multiplying by 2 every time, right? So after 3 days, I would multiply 2 3 times. After 4 days, I would multiply 2 4 times. The way our exponential functions are going to look like, for example, in this problem would be f of x, so that's a function, equals 2 times the number of days that 2 to the x power, being x being a number of days that we would multiply it by. So this is what a typical exponential function will look like. We're going to have something to the x power. In other examples, we will show about how we use exponential functions, how we shift exponential functions, and how we can have decimal and fractional exponential functions.